Hey, it's been a quiet afternoon across eastern Oklahoma. Plenty of sunshine. Temperatures warming into the 80s. Dopplers all quiet for now, but as we move through the late evening hours, we're going to start watching showers and thunderstorms rolling in from the north and west, and it's going to be a fairly loud night, at least for a time, here in eastern Oklahoma. As we take a look at radar a little bit farther up to the north and to the west, we're in western areas of Kansas. Look at this area of thunderstorm activity. Several severe thunderstorm warnings. We've had a couple of tornado warnings as well through the afternoon out in the Oklahoma Panhandle. This is dropping off to the south and to the east. So for most of the evening, we're going to be fairly quiet here in eastern Oklahoma, but as we move toward about, say, 10, 11 o'clock, it's going to move into north central Oklahoma, and around midnight or so, it's going to push into the metro. And again, the potential is there for a few strong to severe storms here in the Tulsa area, but the outlook for tonight has the slight risk for severe weather. Generally from just west of the Tulsa area and back to the south and the west, we have an enhanced risk for severe weather out in northwestern Oklahoma for some of those storms that will push into those areas during the evening hours. As we continue through the evening and overnight, it's going to slide to the south and to the east. You notice here in northeast Oklahoma, we're going to be on the northern edge of that area of rain and storms. We could see one or two strong to severe storms even in this marginal risk from Tulsa off to the north and to the east. But at this point, the highest risk is seeing some of that severe weather should stay just to the south and west of the city. We're going to be keeping an eye on it for you, though, as we move through the evening and overnight. What about timing? Well, the leading edge will move into these locations right around Ponca City and Stillwater around 10 to 11 o'clock this evening. And as we move towards about midnight to 1 a.m. into the Tulsa area and then off to the east as we move through the overnight hours. What about these severe weather threats? Well, the tornado risk, it's not zero, but it is low. And we'll keep an eye on any kind of rotation in these storms as we move through the overnight hours. Looks like the main threat with severe weather is going to be straight line winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour possible. Hail looks like a low to moderate threat. We could see maybe nickel to quarter size hail in some of the largest hail. And flooding, we could see some minor flooding in a few spots because we expect heavy amounts of rain to fall fairly quickly, especially to the south and west of the city. Here's a look at your lakes. For the most part, the lake levels are in pretty good shape, a foot above average at Keystone, a foot below in Skytook, and we'll see temperatures tomorrow if you're heading out to the lake in the mid 80s, but we're going to have a chance to dodge some showers and thunderstorms, 60% chance tomorrow morning, and then a 40% chance tomorrow afternoon. Air Comfort Solutions River Spirit Cam, plenty of blue skies over the city, 87 degrees, and winds light out of the northwest currently at 7 miles per hour. So on future track, as we move through the evening hours, you notice quiet across eastern Oklahoma, southeast Kansas by 9 o'clock. Rain and thunderstorms moving into north central Oklahoma as they push toward the Tulsa area right around midnight here in Tulsa. Looks like strong storms possible here in northeast Oklahoma. A little bit stronger activity down around the Oklahoma City area, and that'll drop to the east and southeast, mainly across east central and southeast Oklahoma. And as we move into the morning hours, still lingering showers and thunderstorms possible across the state. And then for tomorrow afternoon, we have a slight risk for severe weather across most areas of eastern Oklahoma, especially south of the Tulsa area. Heavy amounts of rain will be possible as well. A few folks could pick up between 1 and 2 inches of rain. For tomorrow, only in the mid 80s with that high temperature. 71 for tomorrow night. We'll see 90 on Sunday, and then temperatures warming up for early and middle parts of next week. That's a look at your forecast. Stay with us. Sports coming up next.